now that we understand how communication between people happens on a fundamental level, let's look at negotiation. In negotiation, as we've said, people use communication for all sorts of things. Communication is the way through which we try to persuade, it's the way through which we learn information from the other party, it's the way through which we share our own opinions and thought and interest, it's the way in which we engage in bargaining. It is that primary tool. Now, when you unpack it, you're not just using one tool, communication. What you are actually doing is you're using a fairly wide array of separate tools that you use at different points throughout the process. In this unit, we are going to study, learn, and put in our toolbox 5 very fundamental communication tools that will serve you well as a negotiator. We're going to learn them each separately, one by one, and along the way, we're also going to learn how to use them in conjunction with one another for maximum effect in your negotiation communication. We'll go through those one by one at length, but just to put their names up so you recognize them when we get to them in this unit, we're going to start off with listening, and then we'll move on to the second tool of reflecting. The third tool is a tool called reframing. The fourth is a tool called iMessaging. And the fifth and final tool that we will learn to use is the tool of questions and their use in negotiation. So, that's the order of the day. That's what we're going to do for the rest of this unit. Let's get started.